SlideTeam SWOT Analysis PPT Template, a proven tool to showcase your company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. With this game-changing tool, captivate angel investors, unlock limitless potential, and power your way to extraordinary business growth. This section delves into your company's core strengths. Highlight your company's core muscle, the strengths that make it possible to stay in business. Navigate potential challenges with confidence as we address your weaknesses head-on. Gain insights to strengthen your business strategy and ensure sustainable growth, even as you learn to live with your weakness. Download our SWOT Analysis PPT presentation template and position your business for success in today's dynamic market. Dive into a world of opportunities to seize the moment, capitalize on emerging trends, and solidify your position as a market leader using this top-notch PowerPoint slide. Prepare for success by addressing potential threats promptly. Deploy this ready-to-use PowerPoint layout to help your business transform threats into opportunities for growth. Take control of your business destiny. Access our SWOT analysis template and equip yourself with the tools to conquer challenges and seize opportunities. Use our SWOT analysis PPT set and navigate the path to success with clarity and confidence. For more such business-related presentations and templates, visit www.slideteam.net today.